Most construction teams don't switch software because it is bad. They switch because it stops fitting how their projects actually run. Here's the truth no one tells you. Raken is great for daily reporting. But in 2026, many contractors are looking for tools that either go deeper into project management or offer more flexibility across field operations. In this video, we'll break down the best Raken alternatives, what each one does better, and how to choose the right one for your construction business. Let's start with why people look for alternatives in the first place. Raken is focused mainly on daily reporting. A supervisor like Jake can log job site activity, add photos, track labor hours, and generate reports quickly. Why? It works very well for documentation. Now here's where it gets interesting. The problem starts when teams need more than reporting. Things like task management, scheduling, drawings, or full project coordination often require additional tools. So let's look at the first strong alternative. One of the most popular options is FieldWire. FieldWire is built for field execution. A project manager like Alex can assign tasks, track punch lists, and manage drawings directly on mobile devices. It is designed to keep teams aligned in real time, not just record what happened. But here's the trade-off. FieldWire is not as focused on formal daily reporting as Raken. So it replaces execution workflows more than documentation workflows. Next is Procore. Procore is a full construction management platform. It covers budgeting, RFIs, submittals, scheduling, and project financials. It is built for large construction companies managing complex, multi-phase projects. Now here's the problem. Procore can feel heavy for small teams. It requires setup, training, and structured processes to use effectively. Another alternative contractors often consider is simple reporting and field apps that combine time tracking with lightweight project coordination. These tools are usually easier to adopt, but may lack deep construction-specific features. So how do you choose the right one? If your main issue is daily reporting and documentation, staying with Raken or a similar reporting-focused tool makes sense. If your biggest challenge is field coordination and task execution, FieldWire becomes a stronger fit. If you need full control over large construction operations, Procore is the most powerful option. Now here's the key insight most contractors miss. The best alternative is not always the most advanced tool. It is the one that matches your current workflow bottleneck. A small contractor does not need enterprise-level project control. A large general contractor cannot rely only on reporting tools. So the decision comes down to this. Do you need better reporting, better execution, or full project management? Once you answer that, the right alternative becomes much clearer. The biggest mistake is switching tools without identifying the real problem first. Because the wrong system does not fix inefficiency. It just moves it somewhere else. If this helped you understand your options, like, comment, and subscribe for more construction software breakdowns like this.